Plaster Creek Stewards is truly honored to be selected as the 2024 Sustainable Business of the Year by the Michigan Sustainable Business Forum. Plaster Creek Stewards is committed to building relationships between different people groups in the watershed and between all of these people and the stream that drains our watershed.
We're here today because we're celebrating with all of you, our community members, collaborators, partners in watershed restoration. From local residents, schools, houses of worship, and organizations like the National Wildlife Federation, ELGRO, American Rivers, River Network, WEMIAC, Friends of Grand Rapids Park, C4, Grand Valley State University Groundswell Program, and then engineering firms like Spicer Group and Fishbeck, colleagues with the Native Plant Guild, and then municipalities, township, and county leaders. This work is truly a team effort.
This work is based on listening well and developing understanding, care, and affection for this place and each other, while addressing the stormwater issues of Plaster Creek with engineering, ecology, and a whole lot of love. So it's been a pleasure to work with so many different community partners. And this award really is an award that's given to all of us as we've worked on this project together.